fear of being alone? Duh. Pero hindi mo da malikawan kung kis ano, dang ma-feel mo bala nga hindi ka gusto nga gaisahanon. Pero when you're afraid of being alone, hindi mo na mabatyagan ang matuod-tuod nga kalinang. Kay man kung gaisahanan ka lang, mas nami 'di ba ang feeling, mas may freedom ka, mas hawak mo ang imo nga oras, kag may self-awareness kag gidyai. Being alone doesn't always mean you are being unloved. It's not always a punishment. Opportunity mo na gani nga makilala ang imo nga kaugalingon. Mas mabalaan mo kung ano ang real desire mo sa kaugalingon mo kay man wala may nagadikta kanimo, wala hassle. Dang wala ka bala may gina-worry nga iban nga tawo kung isa ka lang. It is actually your opportunity nga mag-walk away from a toxic situation if you're not afraid to be alone. Mas mabudlay ka na nila i-manipulate. Budlay sila gamiton ka kung kaya mo yang nga mag-isahanon. Then when you're not afraid to be alone, you can focus on your growth. You can make decisions purely for your own well-being and not just by doing things for someone else's happiness, right? And a person who knows how to love themselves can also love others in a healthier way and more genuine when the time comes. Okay?